Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into an interesting topic, how Trump's tariffs impact Singapore's economy. If you're curious about global trade, financial markets, or just want to stay updated on current affairs, stick around. Singapore is a small, open economy that relies heavily on international trade. So, when global trade tensions rise, like with Trump's tariffs, it can have ripple effects here, even if Singapore isn't directly targeted. The most noticeable impact comes from global trade disruptions. When major economies like the U.S. and China impose tariffs on each other, it slows down global trade and economic growth. Singapore, being a transshipment hub and a key player in global supply chains, feels these effects through reduced demand for exports and a slowdown in trade-related services. Companies around the world may shift their supply chains to avoid tariffs, impacting Singapore's logistics and port operations. Plus, with the unpredictability of trade wars, investor confidence can fluctuate, potentially leading to capital outflows from the financial services sector. Some industries in Singapore feel the impact more than others. Manufacturing, especially electronics and precision engineering, could see reduced demand as global trade cools. Also, as a regional financial hub, Singapore's financial services industry might be affected by shifts in investment patterns due to changing trade dynamics. Singapore's government has taken steps to address these challenges. Initiatives include diversifying trade partnerships, investing in innovation to stay competitive, and carefully monitoring economic indicators to adapt quickly to changes. So, while Trump's tariffs might not directly target Singapore, the indirect effects are definitely felt. By diversifying partnerships and enhancing capabilities, Singapore can mitigate some of these impacts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I'd love to hear from you.